Ready? Begin. Thank you. Please join me in the salute to the Oklahoma flag. Ready? Begin. Thank you. Please join me in a moment of silence thinking about your responsibility or onus to be kind. Ready? Begin. Thank you. Please join me in the patriotic song of the week.
Hand over your heart, face the flag. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous line o'er the ramparts we marched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare revels bursting in air gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
Thank you. Please join me in the Wildcat Way. The W stands for. The I stands for. The L stands for. The D stands for. The C stands for. The A stands for. And the T stands for. Thank you. You may be seated.
Thank you, Natalie. All right, good morning, happy Friday, Roosevelt. How many of you are excited that it's Friday? Me. So, all week long and all of last week, we've been talking about our word of the week, which is, what is it? Onus. And onus is kind of a fancy word for, oh, it does start with an R, kindergartner, but it's not respect. What is it, fourth grade, third grade? That's right, it's responsibility. So, all week we've been talking about our responsibility, and guess what? We've got our words of the week up here, so I want to do a quick review before we get into what we're doing today. So, the very first week we talked about philanthropy, and that is about giving to others. The next one is veneration. So, kindergarten, what does veneration mean? Do you remember? It's the other R word. That's right, it means respect. It's a fancy word for respect. And how about empathy? Do you know what empathy means? It's understanding or being able to understand other people's feelings. Very good. And obliterate means to destroy, because we were going to obliterate hate, weren't we? We did that. I think y'all are doing a great job. And then this week is onus, and it means, oh my goodness, let's try again. Our word of the week is onus, and it means? Yes, and it is our responsibility to be kind to others. And it's our responsibility to make sure that we are doing our great 8 expectations. And I've been hearing a lot of those this week, so I appreciate you all doing them. Let's Let's see. Do you remember I think it was Tuesday, where we played a little game, and I said, if this is, let me turn this on real quick, sorry. And I said, if this is a blame statement, then we stood up, and if it's a responsibility statement, we sat down. Do y'all remember that? Yeah? All right, let's practice while I get this going. If I could have a helper. Miss Leonard, thank you. Miss Leonard's going to call out a blame statement or a responsibility statement. All right, the first one. But he did it first to me. Show me, what would you do? What are we doing? Standing for blame?
If it's a blame statement, stand up.
Okay.
If it's a responsibility statement, sit down.
All right, very good. Show me with your head. Does it really matter if someone does something to you first? If you do it back, you're still in trouble. All right, go ahead and take a seat. All right, I made a bad choice.
Is that a blame statement or responsibility?
Responsibility. But she wouldn't share with me. That's a blame. Awesome job. Sit back down. But it was his idea.
That's a blame statement.
That's a blame statement. All right.
Here we are. So you all,
What if you said, you know what, I made a mistake and I'm sorry? Very good. That's a responsibility statement because we all make mistakes, don't we? So, do you see all of these grown-ups in this room? All of these grown-ups care for you so much, and they love you just like Noodle's mom and Noodle's teacher loved him. Okay? But what did mom say? She said, Noodle, I can't solve your problems for you, but my job and our job is to teach you how to be your own problem solver. So today, on this Happy Friday, I want you all to think about what can you do to solve your problems when you feel like Noodle. All right? All right. If I can get my thing to work. All right, do we have jokes of the day? Who are my joke tellers today? Quick. If you have a joke, Pastor Mr. Meeson, come to the front. Hurry, run. No, don't run, sorry, walking feet. Miss Keysburg's learning too. Walking feet, quick walking feet.
What do you call cheese that's not yours?
I don't know. What do you call a cheese that's not yours?
Not your cheese.
Not your cheese.
Good morning, my name is Bill.
Good morning.
Why can't the bike stand up on one wheel?
I don't know, Bella. Why can't the bike stand up on one wheel?
'Cause it's too tired.
Oh, let me hear those laughs because it's too tired. That is so funny. So guess what we have today? It is Friday, and today is our hot recess. So if you were here all week long and you were here on time, I'll be calling you out to do our hot recess next week. Class. Try again, class. Next week is dress up week. And your teacher has sent this out in Remind or in your newsletter so you'll know what to wear next week. Okay, we better get going. Am I missing anything? Oh, the book fair. The book fair is next week. Okay? Next week, book fair. Next week, red ribbon. Teachers, am I forgetting anything that needs to be announced? No? Okay. Everybody stand up. I want to hear those wonderful voices. We got to try a little kindness today.